Today I'm going to show you how I built my ultimate workbench. It's simple construction with simple materials you can get at any lumber store. I used plywood for the top, I used plywood for the drawers or the shelves, as well as 4x4s and 2x4s for the base. I built this to have a longer bench for my shop. It's 81 inches long, 24 inches wide, and 36.5 inches tall. It fits my needs. I finally have a bench with a vise at the end of it. I'm going to show you how to build this today. If you like what you see, please subscribe by hitting the subscribe button below and like the video and comment as well. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos to come. So for this video, I didn't do a voiceover like I normally do on my videos because it's fairly simple what I'm doing, and I didn't think it was necessary to explain every little piece. I think the video lays it out pretty well. I used no fancy joinery in the entire build. I just used dados and butt joints. I think that for shop projects, that's all you really need to use, is something that'll be stable and sturdy and last a long time, and these certainly will. I wanted to build a longer bench, and this is exactly how I did it, and I was able to finally get a vise on there and have a sturdy enough table for a vise. So again, follow along, and if you have questions, just let me know in the comments below. Now let's get back to building this project. Here we go. I'm sure most people can tell, but I just want to mention that the top is 2 pieces of plywood laminated together. It's birch plywood, and I finished it off with a coat of natural Danish oil. And also, I'd like to mention that if you see my floor, and of course the rest of the room, it's dirty. There's laundry in the back. I get to have half of the basement, laundry side of the basement, and the entire garage for my shop. And there's paint all over the floor that my son spilled. It's not from me like chopping my hand off with a power tool. And that stuff is tough to get up. It's been there for a while and it is extremely hard to get up. But I hope you enjoyed the video. More videos to come, and thanks for watching.